Hi there! In February of this year, I finally got my first 3D printer. It was a bit of an excitement, but also a lot of uncertainty as to what I could actually print out of it. Over the next few months, I began my quest to make my dreams come true. I started by building my skills, getting better at both my printing and painting skills. I also got better tools along the way, which helped me to make higher detail and more accurate models. As my skills improved, I started diving deeper into FDM printing. This allowed me to print even more highly detailed models, which was a huge step forward for me. I was amazed at how much I could achieve with this technology. I've even started to create some of my own designs. And I knew that I wanted to continue exploring it further over time. I've been able to bring my favorite superheroes and characters to life in a way that I never thought was possible. And with each new model that I create, I continue to learn more and more about the 3D printing process. I know that there are many people out there who are just starting out with their 3D printers right now. Don't be afraid to dive in and explore all that this technology has to offer. With a little patience and effort, you can begin to master 3D printing and create incredible things from your favorite heroes. And who knows, you might even inspire others to follow in your footsteps. So stick around and make sure to follow along for all the latest updates on my 3D printing journey. Thanks for watching.